Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have a special unboxing for you guys to check it out. This is from Supreme. So this is the 2-pack skateboard deck. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick. I'm not sure what's this one that I got. I feel like it's one of the Ponchos in here. Anyway, let's go ahead and open the skateboard deck first. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the other one. Oh, there you go. There is the Poncho, free Poncho, okay? So this is by Ballpark Outdoor Rain Ponchos. Made it in the USA. Supreme. One size fit most adults. Adjustable hood, recyclable, made in USA. I feel like I don't want to open this, but be prepared for the storm. Okay. And I got the Supreme decals right there, the sticker. Got the world famous and then the red box logo right there. This is the distorted logo skateboard deck. Black color. And this is 8.5 inch. Made in Mexico. So this is like a multicolor box logo sticker combined all together. Yeah, so right here I can feel the Poncho. That's why I was like, so let's go and check out. So let's go ahead and check out this one. I don't know what's this one, so let's go ahead and open this up. Because normally the first week, when we order it, they ship out separately. So, wow, look at that. Very, very nice. Ooh, I got the sticker pack. Got the white color, like a light purple. Black box logo, red box logo, and then a navy box logo. And then I got the red box logo, the big decal. And then the other one is the, let's see. Because every order you get the Poncho that come with it. Oh, this is the cross with the Supreme. Oh, okay, this is the painted logo, magenta color, size medium. I was kind of lucky I got this. I believe they restocked this And then I told my son to check it out. He said there was one available. And then after that, I came home and then I ordered it right away. Because this was the last one that was left on their website. And I got the pretty strong 100% cotton, made in USA, size medium. You got the 2-hole punch right there, in case you guys want to do some legit check. My hand kind of greasy, but I probably need to go wash it. So I got another poncho right here. Just open this up real quick. Wow, look at that. Nice. Supreme. And you can see like a paint splatter over the top, on the side, the bottom. Pretty cool. So yeah, I was kind of lucky that I got this one. So yeah, you got to jump on it while you can. So don't hesitate. So on the back is plain. So maybe I should open one of this and let you guys check it out. What this is all about. So yeah. By the way, people are selling this like $35. So I open like this. Hopefully I can put it back later on. Let's see. This is like this. Roll it out. Oh, you got the red box logo right here. What is that in there? Oh, that's a hood. Nice, see? So it is gray inside, okay? So the red box logo is in the front. Alright, then you put your body inside here. And there is your opening for the arm. That's the right hand side, and this one is the left hand side. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I could put it back anyway, so anyway, there is that. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.